In this video, I'm gonna show you how I made this scarf. Beautiful color, and it's very long, so you can see how long. Some people like long like this because you can put on your neck and to do with the loop like this, and it looks so nice. Or you can put around your neck twice. Here we go. And then you go in like this way. Here we go. And you can wear like this. And I know people were asking me about how I make this one. So in this one, it's a wider and shorter, and it's a 200 grams, because I put here 60 stitches. So if you would like to have a wider and shorter, so you can put 60 stitches. So then you're gonna have like this. So you can have them like this way. Here we go. And this one I cast on 40 stitches. I cast on 40 stitches on this one here. And then the same amount, I put 200 grams, but then came up obviously longer because it's a narrower. And I think I like this. I mean, I like both of them. So yeah, here we go. And now we can go onto the machine, and I'm gonna show you how I've done it, this scarf. From 200 grams, it left only this much. See my scarf? About 2 months ago, I made this scarf, but I didn't make a video. And so many comments and many people want to know how I've done it, this scarf. So I found a new yarn. Here we go. And that was, I think, a mix wool and acrylic. This one, it is a mix of alpaca and acrylic. So it's a 10% alpaca in it. I can't wait to knit it. Beautiful color, and the scarf will be amazing. Even for the earlier springtime, like now in the morning, you can just put like this, and a nice and light color. Beautiful color. And let's see how it's going. So we're gonna start with lifting the bed, the attachment, ribbing attachment, and now I will use a selector, and I'm gonna select 40 needles, but every other needle. So this is how I'm selecting. And I'm using this selector, every other needle. And then at the bottom, we're gonna select 38, which is -2, because these needles need to be in. I was showing before how to do it. So I'm selecting 38 needles at the bottom, and they need to go in between of the top needles. And now with the carriage, I'm gonna select the needles into the working position, and the top tension 0, and then bottom tension 0, and the lever stay where I'm showing here. Now I'm taking the waste yarn and I'm gonna apply waste yarn here. And make sure you hook behind this so the carriage will keep it, so that is hooked. And at the bottom you can hold it or you can put straight away the clip, and you make one row. And now we're gonna put the comb, so we're gonna take it out, this metal, and then we're gonna put it back, and we're gonna hang on this our weights. Now we're gonna make 10 rows in waste yarn. One, yes, something. And now we're gonna cut the yarn. And now for 2 rows around, I'm gonna make this in this cotton yarn. And now we're gonna put this up. This stays 0, 0. And we need to hang, and we can hang this clip at the bottom, and let's make 2 rows. And partial here, and this button we need to. So this one up and this one 0, 0. 2 rows. And this is a round. Now we're gonna cut this. Cut at the bottom. And now I'm gonna start with my yarn, and I have to put here. And we need to move this. We need to move this down. This will be on 0, 0, and we need to release this button. And this is going here. And we're gonna make 1 row like this. And now we're gonna put on the circle and this button. One, two, and then we undo this button and release this. And then I'm gonna change for loose on here, and then I'm gonna put a number, maybe on number 1 first. Here we go. And I'm gonna put the counter on 0, 0, 0. And now we can start on number 1 will be actually number 1. And now I'm gonna put on number 2 and number 2. And I think I'm gonna put on number 4. I'm gonna put number 4 and 4 here. And now you can And this is a new yarn. I love it. Here we go. How this is beautiful is coming. I love these colors. It looks so cool. My scarf become now long and my weight's now on the floor. So I chosen from LK 150 knitting machine this comb. And I'm gonna add now the weights, but not there. I'm gonna put on the top and don't put into the wool. I just put only into this comb and on the sides, and that's it, job done. And this you can still knitting the same weight, and here we go, easy. So everybody can do it that way. And you don't need to buy more stuff because we are spending so much money on these machines, new machines. I've got 4 knitting machines and yarn we are buying, wool, so it doesn't need. And this is what left, only a little bit now from this 200 grams. And here we go, I'm getting to the end and it will be few rows and it will be finished. So as you can see how this is hanging, and I have reached 340 rows from this 200 grams, and I'm using now this tool to transfer all these stitches into the top bed. So I'm gonna transfer all of these stitches from the bottom bed to the top bed. and it's happened here. I drop the stitch, but if you do, just leave it and just keep going. Seriously, don't even try to do it now. Just keep going to the end and transfer first all of these stitches. Now we're gonna put bed down, and now you can take the tool with the hook and you can insert from the back and then just pull through and put on the needle, and it is repaired. So always wait until you finish all and then go back and repair this mistake, because it's happened. And now we're gonna make cast off, and you can make this way, what I'm showing here on this video, or you can do your way, how you like to finish, because many ways is how to cast off. So it depends of you, whatever you like. If you like follow my way, just follow this way. If you like your way or better way, just do it what you think is good for your project. Now let's see how this came up, if how it stretch. So I'm gonna remove this bit here. A moment, I'm gonna put it, and then I've got here the waist yarn. So I'm gonna remove this. First I'm gonna remove this, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut here. I'm going to cut here, and now I can pull one, and this one, and here we go. It's not stretched, just a little bit, but of course it's gonna happen, but it's not waving, or, and it's beautiful. And just gonna be press. If we're gonna press, it will go in anyway. So this is it. This is how we do. From 200 grams, it left only this much. See my scarf?